Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Visionary Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss about admissions and scholarship process in Boston University, United States of America. There are 300 plus programs of study in this university. 8 among campuses with the most international students are open doors for new session. This is 13th number ranked university for employability in the US by Times Higher Education. So this is the huge opportunity to apply for the students of undergraduate and master's degree program. So we will discuss in details how much amount they offer students, what is the eligibility criteria, how to apply for first admission and then scholarship. So before going in details, I request you as always, if you are new on this channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So friends, let's discuss in details. A Boston University education more valuable than ever. There are 300 plus programs of study. Majors for every interest are available in this university. For example, here are some majors. We will discuss international relations, mechanical engineering, physical therapy, human physiology, English, graphic design, political science, and many more. These all departments, first you have to apply for admission and then scholarship. Here some details are given by senior students who can guide you. If you have any question, you can ask them and they will guide you how to apply and how to process your application for scholarship process. So there are 3 scholarships for foreign students in this university. First scholarship is merit scholarship for first year students. If you are going to apply for first year, then you are eligible to apply for this scholarship. This scholarship is ranked in the top 5% in the high school classes. Who is eligible to apply? Here you can see US citizens, permanent residents of USA, and eligible non-citizens are considered for all merit awards and other scholarships. Means to say, if you are applying from abroad, you are not living in USA, then you will be considered for merit scholarship, that is called trustee and presidential scholarship. Trustee scholarship is the Boston University's most prestigious scholarship. Scholars become part of a unique campus community that offers intellectual, cultural, and social opportunities for the students. This scholarship covers annual value, full tuition, and all other accommodation expenses for students. The deadline for this scholarship is 1st December 2022. Number of awards, they will offer 20 scholarship with a high academic background students. This was merit and presidential scholarship. In presidential scholarship, all students are considered for the presidential scholarship who are eligible non-citizens and international students. The scholarship value of this presidential scholarship is $25,000 annually. Deadline is also 1st December 2022 for this scholarship. And other scholarships and financial aids in which you can easily apply. Application steps are given here. You have to apply online. All applicable deadlines. Submit financial aid and scholarship form Then you have to submit your other documents. How to apply for this scholarship? You have to click here, My BU portal. Then you will be here. If you are new, then you have to first update your account. You have to register yourself. Then you will get an email into your email inbox. You have to activate your account and then log in into your account and apply for this scholarship. So these are the details about Boston University admission and scholarship process. Further, if you have any question, you can ask in comment box or you can contact me on Telegram group. You will find this scholarship link in this video's description. So this is the end of these details. So take care.